All right, guys, let's get into it, man. Let's go elite group. Every day I'm gonna do this with you, okay? So we're looking. If you guys don't know, I'm changing things up for the next 10 days at least. Okay, so I'm gonna be day trading with you all and hunting aggressively for coins to trade, using the methods found over here. Okay, so these are the five. These are all the methods. So the first thing that we're gonna do, like honestly, the alerts are great, but I'm not going to use that method. It's more so for people that are that are like really strapped for time and they don't want to put in the work themselves. That's my opinion, right? And if I had to be 1,000% honest to you guys, I only made that because people wanted it. I don't actually believe in like alerts or signals and shit like that, okay? I don't at all. So this method is more like method number 1 and 2, using the 15-minute and the 4 hour. I'm personally not going to use it myself because it requires too much. There's just too much noise in general. So I'm going to leave that more so to the more inexperienced people. Okay. So method number 3 is probably the one of the best methods, but I changed it obviously. So let's scan first of all, looking for volatility. And remember, you guys need to have that up here. You got to have a screen like me up there that's going to allow you to see it all the time. So you can see today that by building the watch list, we can see some coins that have moved, but really not that much. We can see like waves. It's under my camera, but it's right there. Waves that you see riff. So this guy here has been now set to different standards or different settings. 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. Actually, yeah, this is the right one. 5, 10, 15, 4 hours. Yeah, so this is a little bit different. Do you guys see it up there? It's different now, right? So this is a really good way, but you need to be on the computer at all times. So we can see today that there's really nothing. So then method number 4 would be to go to TradingView and just kind of take a look at what's popping, right? Use TradingView to sort. So we'll go to TradingView. We're gonna sort it, okay, and we're gonna just kind of see what is that home J. Okay, so here we go. So we sort it and we see like Zem. So Zem's on fucking fire since the beginning of July. It's still going. It moved up 100%, but it's getting to this region where now it doesn't look that strong because this is clearly a strong support, which means it's most likely to be a resistance now. So we have to take a look at it. But the thing about Zem is like if you go to it, it's probably got really shitty ass volume. You can tell it has shitty ass volume because everything like this looks really pixelated. See what I mean? Like it doesn't look good in any way. So, oh fuck, sorry, I keep getting so distracted when I get messages sometimes. Sorry, give me a second. Anyways, okay, so you go to Zem, you can just tell that the volume is probably absolutely atrocious. So you can see that Zem, the volume is like it's just doesn't look, even though it's got $200,000 in volume, it just looks so fucking shitty. But because it meets over 100K, let's trade it if we can. But right now it looks parabolic, so it's not really the best option to trade this in my opinion. But I think we have, and also like it's got such crazy movement. 4 hours it's doing 21%. But this coin, it gets on the watch list, okay? 100% it gets on the watch list. So we're gonna build this all up again from the very beginning. So we're gonna keep XEM on the watch list just because we don't know how it's gonna be quite yet. Looks kind of promising though. You know, it might have formed like a resistance already. Maybe this is like a 1 2, somewhere like a 3 4. That's a 5 for now, right? Like maybe it formed a channel. You can kind of see that a little bit. So there might be a short opportunity. So that's decent to watch for. And then pattern number or method number 5 that you would look for is you would literally look for like pattern hunting. I'm not sure if I'm ready to do that yet. And then method number 6 is using the crypto scanner to identify oversold and overbought conditions. But we're going to go over pattern 5 just to kind of see generally how the market is, okay? I'm going to use a 4-hour time frame just so we can get a bigger picture, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit, okay? So this doesn't look good from the rally in July. This looks fucking bad, guys. Looks fucking horrible. It just looks like it made a like maybe even a 1-2, then 1-2-3-4. Just looks absolutely atrocious. This does not look good at all. Trust me, if we break below like around 63k, we're dead. Like it's gonna drop pretty hard. So I'm gonna keep on 4 hours. I'll look at basically 1 month at a time, like between July and August, right? That's how I look at the market. Let's see if there's any major patterns. I was just gonna say Zem looks good. Book of Meme actually looks pretty good too. It's still like rallying to the upside. So this is a pretty decent coin to be looking at right now. I mean, there could actually be a drop soon too. So this coin is very promising to take a look at, I think. Yeah, I would keep my eye on. I would keep Book of Meme on here too. So let's go to 4 hour. Like I'm looking for a specific pattern where it's like gonna jump out at you, right? So I'm gonna do it very fucking fast. Do you guys know what I mean? Like, you know, there's Bond that's kind of looking like that a little bit, but it's not really like a pattern that's gonna make me like, you know, be super interested right away. It needs to be so fucking clear. So I'm just gonna keep going down. I'm gonna go as fast as I can because my eye is very trained, and when I notice something, I will let you guys know. So this is gonna be fast. Guys, let's see how fast I'm going. It's pretty fucking fast. This one, I was gonna say pattern, but nah. I was gonna say Riff looks decent. I mean, look at this huge ass rally, 33%. I would keep this on my watch list. And the way that you do it is you have to make a note somehow. So the way that I would make a note is I would say that this is probably a 3 and a 4, and I'm looking for a 4 and a 5, right? And then I would probably short it. So that's how I would make a note to myself for when I refer to it later. This one's interesting too, XRP, where it could break out. So I'd probably put that on the watch list too, but I'm looking for day trading opportunities, right? I'm not looking for like long-term shit. I'm looking for something fucking right now. That's what I'm looking for. There's nothing really. So when you're looking for day trading opportunities, honestly, nothing is going to get better than my volatility scanner. Nothing. So in terms of scanning, I was gonna say SAT looks good to trade because it's been so volatile, man. 179%. What the fuck? But it looks like it's gonna drop now. Looks like it's done. How much did it come down? 236 already. I keep it on SAT just because I think it might drop lower. Nah, I think it's too late, man. I'm not gonna keep it on my watch list. Let's just keep going. I'm looking for like a perfect symmetric triangle or ascending triangle. Something that's gonna jump out at me and be like, Phil, you gotta trade this fucking coin right now. You know? But this one was interesting, Cody. Not from a day trading perspective though, maybe for swing. These coins look ugly. It just looks like where the fuck is the volume? That's how the market looks to me right now. So I'm gonna spend every day doing this kind of scan with you guys, where I'm just gonna go over, like, spend some time with you guys, and actually look for day trading setups. Okay, and if you put in the time every day, every hour, eventually you will find something. It's so slow. Oh man, like sometimes you gotta go through it though, and just, you know, you're gonna find like a gem in the rough, you know? You're gonna find like a needle in a haystack. That kind of thing. That was a good coin, BCH. Holy fuck, did that ever go up? It's pretty decent. I'm just gonna keep on my watch list. So you guys get why I put BCH on my watch list? Because it started to rally hard. Every other coin's looking like this. You know, looking like that. It's looking shitty. Once you train your eye, you can easily just know what is a good coin to trade. But now we're in the negatives, so it's like not the best coins. You know, it's like almost done already. Went through it so fast. So fast. We're almost done. So I hope you understand why BCH was a really good coin. What was that? That's interesting. But nah, it's like I need a coin moving today to day trade, you know, not tomorrow. That's it. I went through every single coin. That's it. Where's render? I'm just gonna put it on here quickly. Oops. Okay, I just want to make sure I got render on here again. Did I add it on? Render. Nope, I didn't. So I'll add that. Render. So today is not really a good day trading opportunity day, guys. Okay, well, we tried. Like, you know, book a meme. Maybe should be on the watch list because it's moving on the volatility indicator, right? So whenever a coin like that is moving, oh, we already got it on there. That's fine. And then there's Riff. Okay, so Riff moved a lot too, which should be on the watch list whenever we see a coin like that. Okay, we put it on there. That's crazy that I just looked at the coin. I didn't even know it was on the advanced volatility scanner. See that right there? It popped up. But I still have it on my watch list. So I'm kind of in sync sometimes with this stuff. Other than that, these are the 4 coins on my watch list for today. Maybe Zem will break higher. Maybe Bomb is gonna maybe make a 5th wave or something like that. I think it might. I think it might actually. Like, we'll see. But that RSI is fucking high. It's like double topping. Like, I don't want to risk it. But you know, it looks like it might be at a top. And then there's Riff, where it might make another wave upwards after the forward's done. And I'll check on this like every few hours. And then there's BCH, which I'm just gonna put an alert to see if it breaks higher, because it's been rallying hard, so it might continue. So this is how you're building a watch list every day. Okay, so we did pattern hunting, and we checked out things on the advanced volatility scanner. And just so you guys know, like, I'm gonna post this. Okay, I'm going to post this today to also the premium group, just because I want them to know what they're going to be missing out on. So let's go. This is how it's going to go. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. So what you're about to watch is a video that I posted for my elite group only. And it's very casual. It's nothing like, you know, headstrong into TA. So what I'll be doing every single day with my elite tier group that I have, where only 5 people can actually join a month. That's it, just 5. So what I'm going to be doing is using various methods to actively and proactively day trade with the group. I'm going to start off with a video just like this every single day with the elite group, where I'm going to hunt for a coin using various methods that I've created. So I'm going to build a watch list with them every single day. And the watch list building process is extremely important because it's going to allow you to find trades. And then after I post this to my elite group, I'll be trading with them as well. If there's any thoughts that I have about a coin, I'm going to post it. If there's any positions that I take or I'm thinking of taking, I'm going to post the setup ratio, the risk to reward ratios as well. So the elite group is definitely where you want to be. It comes with so many different things. Like, first of all, you get access to the elite group here, which is a chat only for the elite group. It's got various methods of, for example, it has a miniature course in here. Methods to find the trade, methods to enter a trade, methods to exit the trade, methods to exit the bull market. Not only that, you're going to get access to the advanced mastery trading course that has a lot to do with AI confirmation and different trading methods as well on a very advanced level that I've never talked about before. You also get access to my advanced volatility scanner. So this scanner here that you see, you get access to it, okay? Not only that, you're also going to get access to the AI alerts group as well. And I'm much more active than I am in the normal premium group. So these are the kind of methods I'll be using every single day to look for a trade with my Discord group. And then after that, we're going to trade together. So if you guys are interested in joining me for the elite group, make sure you DM me. There's only 5 slots available and they fill up very, very, very fast. So I will see you there. Bye now.